In this video, I'm going to show you how to Google Lens a photo. If you want to search for information about an image online, you can use Google Lens. First, open Google on your phone. In the search bar, tap on the Google Lens icon next to the microphone option. Once Google Lens opens, you will see your gallery at the bottom. If you want to search for an image from your phone, select it from here. If you prefer to take a new picture, tap the camera icon and capture the image you want to analyze. For example, if you have a photo of a landmark and want to know its location, simply select the image from your gallery. You can also adjust the focus by dragging the selection box around a specific part of the image. Once you have selected the image, swipe up on the results panel to view more information. Now, for example, if you want to search another image which contains a unique object, such as an animal, you can use Google Lens to identify its breed. Select the image and swipe up to reveal the search results. You can also tap on Visual Matches to find similar photos online. This will help you get detailed information about the object in your image, and that's how you can Google Lens a photo.